I love to travel and needed new luggage, I purchased a new 3-piece luggage set that was perfect for my upcoming travel to Iceland to celebrate my birthday in May. This particular trip was in 2023. I'm only packing the large check suitcase and the duffel bag carry-on. I had actually forgotten about the duffel bag part of the set, so what a great surprise. When packing for cold temperature, space is essential, and the suitcase has plenty of storage along with toiletry bags, hangers, zip pockets, and everything that's needed. So let's pack. As I love to travel, I also like preparing for travel, planning the outfits. So I go into the closet, I take my down vest, some refer to it as a puffer. This one goes to the knees, and here's why this type of material is needed. Because when visiting waterfalls or behind them as I was, or just to protect against the coldness, I take another down or puffer vest and a jacket that are shorter because you need options. Also, again, to keep warm when it's windy, cold, snowing, or all of them. Swimwear. Yes, swimwear in Iceland. I'm packing 3 swimsuits along with a cover-up. There are plenty opportunities for swimwear here, being in the geothermal baths or hot springs, and Iceland has a plethora of them. Swimwear is needed, and at some places you must shower before entering. We also rented a remote cabin that had a private hot tub. Indeed, wearing a winter hat with a swimsuit was a first, but so chic. I'm just going to take a moment here to enjoy this soothing, hot, relaxing water. Tank tops and undershirts are very helpful under sweaters. Comfortable and warm shoe wear such as these boots with shearling lining or faux fur to walk on all of the different terrain. Cozy hats, warm gloves, and earmuff bands. I'm going to grab some more of these, including this cute purse so that I'm not lugging around a really big one. Because you know what? This is beach life. These fleece-lined pants are a must because they are actually thick for providing warmth in any cold weather, no matter the place. And the weather here changes quickly. I also pack fleece-lined tights to wear with dresses. Just get some that match the flesh color. And you can be cute, comfy, cozy, and still warm. So let's continue packing. Let's pack these hats up, put everything into the bag. These bags or packing bags are so helpful to keep organized and neat and save space in the luggage. So remember that these are just a few photos to show what to wear, how to style it to be comfortable, cozy, classy, but not cold. So remember that down puffer jacket from earlier? Well, it comes with its own packing bag, multifunctional. So just fold it, roll it, and pack it. Pack knit sweaters and turtlenecks, pack it all in, close the belt, make sure that it all fits. Zip it up and close it, and we now have our luggage ready to go and arrive in style to Iceland.